let's talk about how to fix the SIMs, the error code .e servers. Not responding in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But don't despair, because you are absolutely not alone in facing this bewildering digital predicament, and there are concrete, actionable solutions. We're diving deep into the most effective troubleshooting tips and fixes to help you banish this stubborn error, getting your Sims back online, saving and thriving in no time. Prepare to reclaim your virtual world and get back to simming. First things first, let's confirm it's not a widespread issue. Head over to the official e-help website or check reliable third-party status trackers to see if the e-servers for the Sims are currently experiencing outages. If they are, unfortunately, you'll just have to wait it out until e resolves the problem on their end. Sometimes the best fix is simply patience. This might sound cliché, but a good old-fashioned restart often works wonders. Close your Sims, the game completely, then exit the e-app or Origin launcher. Even better, restart your entire computer and your internet router, a fresh start, and clear up temporary glitches and re-establish a stable connection with e-servers, getting you back in the game.
Over time, your game's cache files can become corrupted or outdated, causing various errors, including error code. You will want to navigate to your Sims, the game folder, and delete specific cache files like local cache package and the cache or cachester folders. Then don't worry, the game will safely regenerate these essential files when you relaunch it.
If the problem persists, it might be due to corrupted game files within your Sims. The installation itself, fortunately, the e-app or Origin, if you're still using it, has a built-in repair function for just this situation. Just right-click on the Sims in your game library and select Prepare to let the launcher verify and fix any damaged files automatically. This can often resolve underlying issues that lead to server connection problems.